YouTube. Check out the new ZX10 2026, baby. Look at them titanium headers, baby. Not only that, it got a titanium muffler on this thing. How do I know? Because if you look down deep in there, oh, that's titanium, baby. Yeah. Hey. I like that they didn't put the ZX10 right here. It only has this logo here and then this on the side. That's all you get. Other than that, you will not know this is a ZX10, baby. I got the gray edition. She is nice. And you know, that flapper got to come out in the very near future. I can't wait to get this home to start doing my little tweaks, baby. She is nice. Hey. So yeah, I want you guys to take a good look at this 2026 ZX10. She is nice, man. Brand new. This is nice. Look at that. Wow. Turn the key. Let's see how many miles she got. She only got 28 miles on the dash. She only got 28 miles on the dash, baby. Yeah. You can't tell me this is not a nice looking bike. Wow. Let's get her up close on that Brembo.